Good morning students and welcome to 22nd video lecture for class 11th chemistry chapter 10 S block elements. The elements belonging to group 1 and group 2 which constitute the S block in the periodic table are called S block elements. In these elements, the differentiating electron or the last electron enters into the S subshell of the valence shell or the outermost shell. Therefore, they possesses the electronic configuration of type NS1 and or NS2. S block elements. Occurrence. The S block elements do not occur in the free state in nature. Among the element of group alkali metals, sodium and potassium are the 7th and the 8th most abundant element in the earth crust. Electronic configuration, as I said you, that the valence shell of this element consists of only one orbital, NS orbital, and the differentiating electrons enter into it. Therefore, this element possesses electronic configuration of type NS1 to 2. All the inner electronic shells in these elements are completely filled. Valence electron. The electron present in an outermost shell of an atom are called valence electron of that atom. The S block element possesses either one or two valence electron. Then comes oxidation state. The S block elements do not show the variable oxidation states in the compound. The elements of group 1 always exist in +1 oxidation state, while those of group 2 in +2 oxidation state in all of their compounds. Nature of the compounds. The compound of S block elements are predominantly ionic in nature. Anomalous expansion of the first element of the group. The first element of the group shows anomalous expansion behavior and differ from other elements of the group in many ways. The abnormal behavior of the first element is due to the following three factors. The first is small size. The atoms and the ions of the first element of a group are much smaller as compared to those of the heavier elements of the group. High electronegativity. The first element of group is most electronegative element of the group and has the highest value of electronegativity. Non-availability of d orbitals. As the first element of group belongs to the second row of elements second period, it does not contain d orbitals. The higher members of the group belonging to the higher period possess d orbital and may utilize them for the bond formation. Then comes diagonal relationship. The first element of group belonging to the second period often shows resemblance to the second element of the neighboring group. That is, the element placed diagonal opposite to it. This type of resemblance is called diagonal relationship. Example here is lithium resembles with the magnesium and beryllium resembles with aluminium. General characteristics of alkali metal. The first is electronic configuration, and as it is taught to you that the electronic configuration of S block element is NS1 to NS2, where N represent the valence shell. Then comes the physical properties of alkali metals. Physical state. Alkali metal shows typical silvery white metallic luster when freshly cut. The metallic luster fades rapidly with the oxidation by atmospheric air. They are soft, malleable, and ductile. They are so soft that they can be cut with a knife. Lithium is the hardest of all the alkali metals. Atomic and ionic radii. The ionic radii of alkali metal ions are smaller than the atomic radii of the corresponding atoms. The reason for it is that the removal of an electron from the valence shell increases the effective nuclear charge experienced by the remaining electrons. Thus, the remaining electrons are pulled closer to the nucleus, resulting in the further decrease in the size. The combined effect of the decrease in the number of electron shells and an increase in the effective nuclear charge is responsible for the smaller size of alkali metal cations as compared to those of the corresponding alkali metal atoms. The atomic and the ionic radii of alkali metals are the largest in their respective period. Each alkali metal atom is the first element of its period. As one moves from left to right in the period, the differentiating electrons are added in the same electron shell, and therefore the nuclear charge increases with increase in the atomic number. Thus, when going from left to right in the period, the number of shell remains the same, but the nuclear charge increases with each succeeding element. Thus, the electrons in the valence shell experience a greater pull towards the nucleus. This results in the successive decrease of the atomic and the ionic radii with increase in the atomic number. The atomic and the ionic radii of alkali metal increase on moving down the group. That is, the increase in going from lithium to cesium. because as one moves from lithium to cesium in group 1, a new electron shell is added at each element and the nuclear charge increases with increase in the atomic number. The addition of an electron shell at each element tends to therefore increase the size of atom, but the increase in the nuclear charge has a tendency to decrease the size of an atom or ion. Thus the two factors oppose each other. Thus increase in the number of shell increases the screening effect of the inner electrons of the valence s electrons. This tends the electron cloud to expand. As the screening effect is quite large, it overweights the contractive effect of the nuclear charge with increase in the atomic number. The net result is an increase in the atomic and the ionic radii of alkali metal in going from lithium to cesium. Density. Alkali metal possesses quite low density as compared to other metals. Lithium, sodium and potassium are lighter than water. The density of alkali metal increases from lithium to cesium. Melting and boiling points. The alkali metals possess low melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling point decreases on moving down the group. The alkali metal possesses only one electron in their valence shell. Therefore, the interatomic force responsible for binding atoms in the lattice which come into existence due to the formation of metallic bonding are weak. This further decreases the interatomic forces. Therefore, the melting and boiling points further decreases in going from lithium to cesium. Thank you.